Hey, good afternoon. Let me go get my tools. I'll be there in a second. All right, so this is we're in Alpharetta. Had a no heat call. I think I left my light at the other house. Yeah. Okay, here it is. So I don't know if he wants me to go through there or the other way. Guess I'll just try the front door. Let's see there. Hey, good afternoon.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. Come on in.
My name's Xavier.
Xavier, yeah.
So they, sorry?
You were at the office in Norcross.
Earlier, yeah.
Yeah.
So what's going on with your system? It's just not heating, or?
No heat, no functioning down here.
No blower?
Upstairs is okay.
Okay. Well, let's go take a look at it.
Yeah.
We've been out here to your residence before, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you guys came out in November to check everything out, make sure everything was okay for the winter. And probably in the spring too.
Alright, let's take a look. Oh, you already got the cover off.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what the heck is going on.
Alright,
But
cool.
obviously take the cover off, can't figure anything.
Get
Like new cars.
here.
No, you open the hood and
Yeah.
you don't see shit, you know?
So, is the thermostat currently set to heat?
First, yeah.
Alright, perfect. So we'll figure out here in a couple of seconds.
Well, let me confirm that.
If not, I'm just gonna bypass it. It's okay.
Oh, okay.
I'll turn it on from here. Oh, I forgot my damn drill.
And then what would happen is, you know, when I first came, obviously it was off. And I tried to do a couple of things, you know, just flip the switch on and off and shit like that. And it seemed like it would come on for a little bit and then turn
You
off.
see that?
Yeah, come on for a little bit and then turn
You
off.
see that?
Yeah.
Your exhaust fan is locked or seized up. That's interesting. It's just bad bearings.
Yeah.
But I left my drill in the truck. Let me go get my drill real quick. I don't have something that'll fit that. Let me see. It's too big. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back.
Yeah.
But that might cause anything. We'll see. But those bearings.
Is that a fan?
Yep, so basically when this kicks on, it creates a draft. It's going to close this pressure switch. If this isn't functioning well, this switch doesn't close, it'll never get heat. But it's the exhaust fan for the carbon monoxide to get out. But let me...
Exhaust fan for the gas.
Yeah,
Okay.
the byproduct of the flame.
Okay. I was going to say, that's a little bit of a small fan to be blowing heat through the house.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that would, yeah. Well, let me go run and get that. Oh, there we go. Motherfucking gas. Alright. 2004 Caddy. Oil leaking at the bottom of the... You see how my hands are dry?
Uh-huh.
I got the power off. I see some, looks like to be oil on some of these wires here from the blower motor. But it still spins pretty free. So that's good. So I'm gonna bypass the thermostat here at the control board. Close the door right here in a second with this tape. And then see what's going on. But this is a 2004. I just saw the label. This may not be enough. So it's just gonna purge. It's gonna run the fan for I think 60, 90 seconds, and then I'll go through the heat sequence. Yeah, it's another safety switch. It thinks that this is on there, so. I just want to tape it real good so it doesn't come off. Yeah, after probably another 30 seconds here, this will cut off. You'll hear this kick on. You'll hear it click. Let me see. We got marker flashing. Continue this on. Oh crap! I think that was just our issue. You saw how they're in draft motor,
Right.
and it's just humming.
Right, it just started, it went off right off.
And exactly what you hear it humming though, right? Let me just get this to document. And then I'll just kill power here in a second. So that's your issue. You're not going to get heat until you replace the draft induced motor, or the exhaust fan, whatever you guys want to call it.
You got one?
No, we have to order it.
Yeah, should also pick it up.
Yeah, I got a call carrier. Okay. But like I said, this is so we know that's the issue there. No, I mean, well, this has to spin. This is bad. You know, the bearings are just shot. But that's probably just due to the age of the equipment. Your blower motor here, I'm gonna check the capacitor one more time. It did spin, but it doesn't mean that it's within range or anything. I just want to check this because of the age. It is over 21 years now. And then here you have your igniter back here, and then a flame sensor or a flame rod. It's normal for that to get dirty over time, but you can see the debris on it. So let me see what are we getting. So we're looking for 7.5 microfarads. We're getting 7.23. I think that's in range. 5% tolerance. I mean, it's not bad. It's not going to be that way off. 7.5 minus 5%. 7.12. So that's the lowest that the manufacturer recommends for this before either replacing or you lose significant efficiency with, you know.
So we're still within the guideline though.
Yeah, this is. All this does is start this motor down here, but it looks like there is oil leaking from that motor. So what I'm getting at is there's only a matter of time until your blower, your fan, locks up just like this did. I can't give you a time frame as to when these things just kind of happen whenever they feel like quitting on you. I'm not really able to get a reading from the flame rod until we actually have a fire. The igniter, when you start to see them turn white, basically it's like a wear and tear. They either can crack or you can have poor ignition. The other thing here would be the flame sensor. Two things: you can either clean them or replace it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. I know that was a lot of information spewed out at once. And then let me see the condition of that. The blower has some dust, but it's really not too crazy. Looks like a little bit of sheet metal, maybe some construction or something like that. And then I think you've seen the coil before, right? They showed you the coil.
Yeah.
Gotcha. So tell me what you would like to have us do today.
I want to fix the blower and make it work.
All right. So you want? All right. Let me call a carrier, and then I'll get you a quote for the draft motor. The serial and model number 58S as in Sam. Sorry. Do you want to say that? You said you don't have one. Oh, okay.
They've all disappeared.
Oh no.
All right, let me check the factory. I had a board a while ago for a guy that we can't get till July. They're showing no longer available.
Hey, so it looks like they're 3 days out in Tennessee or something like that. The kits aren't manufactured. Or he said no longer available. So he was just scrambling for parts. 20 something, 21, so 04. So we were just the diagnostic guys, went over options, not interested. Plus we can't get the parts here. They're not currently made. They're still on the assembly. So this is exactly how it was when I came here, so I guess I'm gonna leave it. And I will be on my way. He was saying that he just wants to go through the home warranty, so that I said, hey, I ain't gonna argue with that. Yeah, I'm gonna head to the next one. I appreciate you guys watching. Y'all have a good day. Bye.